Hi, I'm Kyler, and today we're going to be installing our H-spring kit on this SnowFire box here. So we're going to start by taking our 9/16 socket and removing these two 3/8 bolts on the snow catch. Then we'll throw our lower spring on. You're going to use this hole in that slot. Make sure that the slot is on top. Then you can adjust this spring whether you want it pitched way down or wherever. I'm just gonna set it in the middle kinda. Then we're gonna tighten these bolts back up, just snug. Next, we're gonna loosen this isolator bolt. It's a 3/8 bolt, so 9/16 socket. Next, we're going to remove this snow catch bolt here with 1/2" tools. Then I'm going to remove these top two. Now we're going to put the H-spring in. You want to make sure that your short legs are on the bottom and your short tab is on the inside. So we're just going to use our same bolt in the same hole. Put it through the spring. Now we're going to put our isolator bolt back in. And lastly, we'll put our top two bolts back through the box. And we'll tighten them down. Now you're ready to plow.